Pomona College is the founding member of the Claremont Consortiums. We were founded in 1887. And Pomona has essentially grown throughout the last century. We have well over 150 acres of campus. We have approximately 86 buildings throughout the campus. We house in our residence halls about 1,500 students. We are a residential college, so it's a requirement that students live here. So having our staff in the field with the most efficient means to contact students when maintenance issues arrive is pretty critical for us. So from that aspect, we've pushed technology out into the field so that our maintenance staff, housekeeping staff, all have technology at their fingertip.
During an emergency, it's very important to know where everything's at. So if you have a system that tells you where that's at, it's a lot better than not having that information.
For me, being a new guy here, I've been here a couple of years, it's been helpful that I can go into the system, find where shutoffs are. I don't have to rely on folks who've been here for 25, 30 years.
You won't lose time by going back to the shop, looking for a drawing, trying to find that drawing, and then spending a lot of time. This way, you could have the issue right in front of you. You can have your tablet, you can have the drawing, you can have the operating sequence right there in front of you. Give them the tools they need to be able to use the platform most efficiently is very critical.
Accessing all of your shutoffs, gas, water, power, healthcare, med gas. And all we're talking about is access to critical building information in the field on all your mobile devices. And your team can do that today.